Apple just released iOS and iPadOS 13.1.1. Let's talk about it. What's up everyone, it's Jason here with Red Bee Labs and welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, we provide in-depth reviews and unboxings for all tech. If this interests you, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos we release. Well, that was fast. We just got iOS 13 and now we got iOS 13.1.1, which brings a plethora of bug fixes. Here's what Apple has to say. Fixes issues that could prevent iPhone restore from backup. Addresses an issue that could cause battery drain more quickly. Fixes an issue that could impact recognition of Siri requests on iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, and iPhone 11 Pro Max. It resolves a problem where Safari search suggestions may enable after you turn them off. Addresses an issue that could cause reminders to sync slowly. Fixes a security issue for third-party keyboard apps. I, for one, am glad Apple keeps releasing these updates constantly. Fix all the bugs. Look, sometimes you release software and you think you fixed everything and then someone reports a bug. You're going to wait months and months before you release an update? No, just go ahead and send out an update. You know, who cares how many you do, you know, as long as it's getting everything fixed. You know, it's not like, oh, well, you did them on purpose or anything like that. Just please send the updates. For me, personally, I will update as many times as I need to have a secure, stable OS. Before you go, if you found value in this video, please smash that like button and leave a comment or two. It really helps me and the channel out. As always, this is Jason, and I'll catch you in the next one.